All right, so here we are at our little bench top, and man, I gotta tell you, with Cars for Christmas, we were really lucky this year because we had Federated come on board, huge partners of ours, and whenever Federated comes on board, that means Kenny Schrader comes on board too. It's great to be able to turn wrenches with a hero of yours. Kenny, my man, how are you? How you been?
I'm doing good, Willie. I don't turn many wrenches because I hurt myself when I turn wrenches. But man, I'm amazed at what you got going on here and how much work you're doing to all these cars.
Yeah, it's wild. We do about 30 to 35 cars every year. Like this car that we're working on today, it needed a rack and pinion. So obviously we leaned on you guys when you said you wanted to help us out this year. You sent us a great rack and pinion. Love Moog. I remember when we went out to the Moog plant. Moog is great, better than OE stuff. So I know these tie rod ends are gonna work great. We have it set up here so we can get, you know, kind of close on the tie rod ends. So the alignment's gonna be close. We drive and get them aligned, but it's a lot of work in all these cars, man. A lot of elbow grease, but they're nice when we give them away, and it makes a world of difference to the families on the receiving end. You guys do a lot of that stuff. I know you guys are huge with Toys for Tots and a lot of programs.
Well, Federated, you know, obviously supporting you like they have here. They supported Toys for Tots for years. They care, you know? I mean, everybody wants to make a dollar. You want to sell good parts and have good partners.
Yeah, well, good parts and good partners is what it's all about. These are great parts and great partners. And I know you didn't come here to work, but you're gonna get your hands dirty, so.
I do, I've got them dirty for it.
All right, Willie and his crew, they've got the whole Grand Prix really rocking. The subframe is out, got it all cleaned up. They've got the new rack in there, the new control arms on it, going back in the car. Hey, gang, welcome back. We're at Willie B's compound, and we're all putting in some helping hands, right, on Cars for Christmas. My boys are really cranking out the front of the car, everything from battery air filter, spark plugs, coils, wires. We got a whole bundle of parts from Federated. Now back here, from Monroe, we've got our Quick-Struts. And what I like about these, you can see the old one, right? Worn out, got no damping left in it. And you can start to see some corrosion on it, but overall, we're gonna replace it with a brand new complete setup. So we don't have to fight with the spring. It already comes with it. Bushings are all brand new. Dampers are all brand new. It's got a coating on it that's gonna last better than the original, so it's not gonna have this rust and corrosion over time. And what you're gonna get too, like, you don't always think about just the spring. It's a steel spring, you think it lasts forever, but they actually fatigue out, and you'll get one to break every now and then. So all new's going in here along with the brakes. So let me finish getting this one out with a couple of bolts, the new one in, and we'll move on to the brakes. All right, jumping on the front of this 2013 Mini, we're gonna get this engine running better again. So we're gonna place the spark plugs and the coils. Now, if you look on modern engines, right, they're trying to get rid of that spark plug wire. It's trying to get the coil as close to the actual spark plug as you can get. And this doesn't get any closer. It's actually made it together. That's about as good as you're gonna get. So we're gonna get this engine running smooth again. So we're gonna place the spark plugs and the coils. So from Federated, we got NGK for both. This thing's gonna be running like a top here in just a minute.
Okay. The amount of cars that you're giving away and stuff to people, it's amazing.
Insane.
I'm getting goosebumps. It's neat.
Well, you know, it's funny because I was gonna show you, man, this is like a trimmed down number of applicants. This is just from a couple years ago. This is about 1,000, and we normally get about 3,000 plus entries for, 35 to 40 cars.
It's amazing what just a couple of parts and a little bit of sweat equity do, right?
Well, the parts are what's key, man, because, we got to fundraise to get money for these parts. We have a great company like Federated come in who can help you and help the community. It allows it to, exponentially grow. So something like this and this partnership is great. Back to the basics. Every car that comes in needs 5 things: batteries, brakes, tires, windshield wipers, and an oil change.
Well, speaking of all those parts, this is the next round to go on this Grand Prix. So again, from Federated, we got a whole setup, rotors, calipers. We got all the hardware pads. We're going with low dust. These are all stainless steel guides and keepers. So this front end and rear end is gonna be all tip top again. So we're gonna put this one in line with all the rest for another round.
For another family. So this really means freedom, big time help for another family that gets affected with Cars for Christmas. And man, I appreciate you turning some wrenches.
Yeah, I didn't do a whole lot, but I supervised some. I made sure they were working.
This is one incredible consultant right here, Kenny Schrader. Yeah.
All right, we've got the brakes buttoned up on all 4 corners of both cars. We got the Mini knocked out, so it's out in the field, ready to go in the queue.
Yeah.
We got our Santa Fe in here. This one's not too bad, right? It's gonna get the usuals, right? The battery, the oil changes, filters, etc. So we got a couple inner outer tie rod ends, coils, filters, belts, you name it. Pretty easy stuff.